In this video, we are going to be creating a linear model, so we have to remember what is a linear model. Well, a model is just an equation, and so we could translate this to say create a linear equation. A linear equation, we remember, has the formula y equals mx plus b. And in that formula, m stands for the slope and b stands for the y-intercept. As I take a look at the scenario, working as a direct representative, Mr. Bailey earns a base salary plus a commission on each new contract he writes. Last week he wrote 3 new contracts, earned $760 for the week. The week before he wrote 5 new contracts and earned $920 for the week. So I see each week he has a pair of ordered pairs, and so where I see here at the sentence starting with last week, I see that he wrote 3 contracts and had income of $760. Now I know ordered pairs have an order to them, so X and Y. What did he have to do? First, he had to write contracts. And what came second? Well, then he got paid. And so that's what my X and Y are going to stand for. So up here, the Y is standing for the pay. The X is standing for the contracts written. Now I have a second ordered pair from the previous week, and this one tells me 5 contracts for $920. So I'm going to use these 2 ordered pairs to find slope. So the formula for slope is the change in y, y2 minus y1, over the change in x, x2 minus x1. So using the ordered pairs, my second y value is 920 minus 760, the first y value. And the second x value is 5 minus 3. And so doing that math, I have 160 over 2, which comes up to be 80. So now I know a good bit of the formula because I know that it would be y equals slope of 80, so 80x plus b. B, we said, is the y-intercept. It could also be called the starting amount, but we are not told here what the base salary or starting salary is, so I'm going to do just a little bit of algebra to figure it out. In the formula, y equals 80x plus b, there's both x and y, and so I can take an ordered pair and plug it in. For that x and y, I'm going to use the first ordered pair because it's slightly smaller numbers. So I have 760 as the y value is equal to 80 times 3 plus b. So first I just do the math that I've written, so 760 equals 240 plus b. And then I'll subtract the 240 from both sides. And I'll get that b is equal to 120. So this lets me complete my formula, and my formula would then be y equals 80x plus 520. So now I do know that base salary, or that starting amount, that starting salary is $520 per week, and then for each contract written, $80 extra pay is given to Mr. Bailey.